Hello! It's been a while. This is a much overdue life update, but I just got back from, as you can see, doing a little bit of shopping. One may say a little bit of retail therapy, but I am so excited about the things that I got and I really want to show you all. And throughout this vlog, I will do a life update. So as you can see, I am currently at my parents' house. If you've been following me for a while, you would recognize this room. This is actually where I used to film all my videos. It's like a spare room off of my bedroom here that I used as an office, and it's still set up that way. I actually bought these things for my condo, but since I'm not there right now, I'm going to be showing you and kind of like setting them up in my old bedroom here, just to kind of change things up. But I bought them for my condo and they're coming downtown with me. But I have been staying here for the last little while because of the pandemic. I just want to be with my family right now, and I don't really have a need to be downtown because I'm not going to work every day. I'm working from home, so really I can work from anywhere. And I decided to come back here, and I've been here for the last 3-4 weeks, just spending time with my family. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I recommend that you do because you would have already seen all this stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. Backstory, if you're new here, I moved into my condo downtown Toronto 2 years ago. October will be 2 years, so just under 2 years ago. And when I moved in, I did a bunch of decorating, but then I stopped. I felt like I never finished. And my bedroom was always something that I felt like I just kind of used pieces that I already had and never completely finished, and I was never in love with it. So I was at DECOR Home, and they had this like new line that they released. They had the display, and I just had a whole design moment in this store and made a bunch of impulse purchases. We're having a moment here.
This is part of it.
But I'm liking this. And then this lamp. I've never been able to find lamps that I like.
Yeah, this is like the...
Yeah, it's pretty. The color scheme of my condo is gray and white. I have very little color, but I like it that way. And I just wanted to spruce things up. One thing that I really did need was a new duvet cover because I actually ruined my duvet cover in the wash. I got some bleach on it. And I've just been kind of living with it that way because it's in like the top corner, and when I make the bed, I just put the pillows over it and you can't see it, but it's always bugged me and I've always wanted a new one. So that's what I did, and then that's kind of what inspired all of these purchases. So I will start with the bedding. So I got a white waffle weave duvet cover. It's a 3-piece, so it comes with 2 pillow shams as well. And I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna put it on my bed here just to, I don't know, kind of see it and enjoy it because I'll be staying here for the next bit. And I'm obsessed with it. I've always wanted white bedding, but I've always been too scared. And I just feel like I'm at the point in my life where I'm like, I'm gonna get the things that I want. This is the pattern, a white waffle weave, and I just feel like it looks so luxe and like a hotel. So I'm very excited about that. I'm gonna go wash it and then put it on my bed. Then I got these gray pillows. I got 2 of these. I think they match the carpet in my bedroom very well because it's like a gray, light gray, exactly like this. So I got 2 of these to go on the bed. I just thought they added good texture. I wish I was actually at my condo so I can show you like all of the pieces together. So this is the other pillow. Again, I got 2 of the same. And then I got this longer charcoal gray because this is the color of my actual bed frame. It's an upholstered headboard. So the intent is to kind of put the pillows like this on the bed. And then, this is what I'm really excited about. I got a lamp, just one, and I wasn't sure if I should have got 2 matching ones, but it's a new item at the store, so I figured if I change my mind, I can always go back and get a second one so that they're matching. But the thing is, I don't have matching nightstands, so I thought it would be okay that I didn't have 2 matching, but it's so pretty. It is a like faux wood base, and these work perfectly together. Are you seeing my vibe? Again, it's very gray and white. I am aware, but I love it, so it makes me happy. This was really pretty. This was $79.99. everything was full price, and if you know me, I don't like paying full price for things. I like sales, but again, retail therapy. I can always change my mind and bring them back, and if there's gonna be a sale anytime soon, I can get a price adjustment. Here's a tiny bit of color. It is a eucalyptus plant, so it's faux, but I really liked the tone of it, and it's quite tall, so I thought it would look pretty next to the lamp. And this is the extent of the color that's going to be in my room. But yeah, I know these things are really simple, but they're very pretty and very my style, and I just am so happy with them. I think it'll look cute on my nightstand. I'll put like a white candle. Then at HomeSense, I had been eyeing this frame for a while. Again, it's all the same tones. Some may say it's boring, but to me this is my style and I like it. It's just a very soft framed photo, and I thought either I can put it on the top of my dresser, or I just got some new shelves for my kitchen and my bathroom, so I thought this might be something nice to put on the top of the shelf because it's not too large, and like style it on the shelf with like some faux plants, some candles, some like little decor items on a shelf. Picked this up from HomeSense. It was $16.99. I'd actually seen it a couple times when I'd been there, and I just knew I wanted it. So, and then last but not least, at HomeSense, I'm really excited about this. I got this Italian soap, and my cousin had it at her house, and I was obsessed with the smell. And she was like, yeah, I think I got it at HomeSense. So it's the La Florentina brand, and it's their citrus soap, and oh, it smells so good. It was $5.99. And so now I have to decide if this will go in my kitchen or my bathroom, but I'm obsessed. I probably should have got two. Maybe I'll have to go back and get another one so that I can have it in both my kitchen and my bathroom. It feels like I got a lot more than I did because none of this was on sale. And in the store I had everything kind of laid out, and I just had a design moment with my mom, and I was like, I need all of this, I really want it. So I got it, and I don't know, I just kind of want to put this in the space and figure it out, and I'm excited. I just needed a couple things to like spruce up my bedroom. Even though I already had pillows, I got more. But they're so soft. So it's the next day now, and I set up my duvet cover. I washed it and dried it, put it on my bed, and I love it. It fits really well here on this bed, which is a double or like full-size bed, versus my queen-size mattress at my condo. So I don't know if it's gonna fit, but it was non-returnable, so I washed it and put it on anyways, because the package was labeled queen. I showed you before. But I really like it here, and I kind of like decorated it a little bit with some of the pillows that I had already, just because like the color scheme in this room is very different and won't match with the grays. But this mattress that I'm sitting on is my very first mattress that I've ever had. So I'm 25 years old. This mattress is probably like over 20 years old, because I don't know how old you are when you get your first, when you move from a crib to a bed. I don't know, 3 or 4. So I don't know, this is probably like a 22-year-old mattress. So we're getting rid of it. I actually got a new mattress today. It's downstairs. It's a Bloom Sleep Country mattress, and I'm so excited. Mattress in a box. It fit in my Mini Cooper, and we're gonna unbox it, but I need to get rid of this mattress here. I don't know, we want to like donate it, but I don't want to have to take it somewhere, so I'm gonna put it on Facebook Marketplace for free and see if someone will come pick it up. Even though it's really old, I don't know who would even want it, but I'm gonna take all the sheets off of it, take a picture, post it, and then in a little bit, when I can get some help, we're gonna unfold the new mattress, and then I can sleep on it tonight. And I'm so excited because this mattress is not very comfortable. There is a topper on it. I will show you. This is what I've been sleeping on. So it's this foam mattress topper, which is not even the same size as the mattress itself. And then this blue mattress, which is a million years old. So upgrading time, and I'm so excited. But yeah, the color scheme in this room is very different. Remember when I DIY'd this? I will link it in a video down below. I'm just making some little enhancements to this room while I'm here. Stuffed my toe.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay, we're ready to sleep.
soft or plump.
It's really soft.
Did they give you the right one?
Yeah, it said mist on the box. Okay, it's all set up. False alarm. It is really comfy. And I think it was just such a contrast from my old mattress that was here, which is like a brick because it's over 20 years old. But this one is a lot softer and I really like it now that I'm like laying on it, and it's also like fluffing up a bit because it was obviously compressed. But I was just comparing it to my one at home, and so I'm silly and I didn't try it in the store because my mom has the same mattress but they have 2 different versions, or 3 I think. But I was told that the Bloom Air is the softest one, and then the Bloom Mist is a little bit more firm. So I tried hers, which is the Air. It's really soft. So I was like, okay, if I go one more firm, then it'll be perfect. And similar to my mattress at home, which I love, even though I should have just got the same one, but this one was on sale. And it feels like very soft, like not as firm as what I was envisioning. And it almost feels more soft than what my parents have. So I don't know, I'm a little confused. I think it's gonna keep like getting more firm and fluff up kind of as the time goes on because we just unboxed it and it was obviously squished. So yeah, but you know what, I do like it. And they have the 100-night guarantee, so I can always send it back if I don't like it. But I have someone picking up my old mattress right now on Facebook Marketplace, so we brought it down and they're gonna come in the next hour or 2. So I just had a moment where I was like kind of freaking out because I'm like, oh my god, I'm getting rid of my mattress, and this one is maybe not what I thought, but it is. I was like, oh my god, did I make a big mistake by not trying it at the store like an idiot? But it's all good. I like it. Good morning. Oh, I should flip my cup this way so you can see the R. This is the prettiest coffee. Ever since I got an espresso milk frother, I've been using it, not kidding you, every single day. And it's just the new way that I make my coffee. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably see it every single day. And I get a lot of questions on how I make my coffee. Honestly, I will just put foamed milk on top of a regular cup of coffee. I drink milk in my coffee anyways, so it's just a little extra, and then the foam on top. Perfect. Oh, topped with cinnamon, of course. So I wanted to sit down and give you an update on where I've been and what I've been going through. I think it is fair to say that 2020 has been a year that no one could have expected or planned for. And what I've quickly realized is that this pandemic has impacted everyone in very different ways. While some people have lost their jobs, financial stability, had to adapt to working from home or working in a new way, balancing childcare or care for their elders, just to name a few, I was faced with losing a relationship in my life that was really important to me. Much like I didn't expect to be living through a global pandemic, I also didn't expect to be going through another heartbreak. One of my best and worst traits is that when I love something, I love it with all my heart. And that applies to all aspects of my life. And because of that, it's challenging to let things go, even when you know it's the right thing to do. After my ex and I broke up, I packed up a bag and I came back here to my parents' house because I just needed to be with family. I have pretty much been here ever since, and that in itself has been an adjustment too, trying to make this place feel like home again. I'm thankful that I can work from home because that means I could work from anywhere, so I can be with my family during this time and just surrounded by the people that I love and love me too. And the dog, Merlot, he has a very special place in my heart. So that's my update. I appreciate your patience during this time while I took this break. Trust me, I know it was out of the blue. It was out of the blue for me too. To every single person that reached out to me on Instagram asking if I'm okay and saying that you miss me, thank you. I love and appreciate you. I missed posting on YouTube as well, but I just needed some time. I took some time to listen to my feelings and truly feel them. And I can honestly say at this point, I am feeling so strong. I am feeling so happy, truly happy, as happy as I can be during a global pandemic, but I'm so happy to be here. With that being said, I love you all so, so much. And like I said, when I love with my whole heart. So truly know that it means so much to me that you are watching and here with me during this time. There's so much more to come. I want to continue sharing my journey with you. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.